Out of eyes tryna put me on a t-shirt. Shorty want me so bad, do your knees hurt? Yeah, I'm counting paper guap in my beamer.
Hey guys, today I will drive the Flexity in TramSim Vienna from Löwengasse to Prater, Hauptallee on line 1. Our next station will be Wittelsbachstraße.
Wittelsbachstraße. Umsteigen zu 80a.
Here we are. I'll just wait for her to board. Nah, I'm gonna leave you here. I'm late to my next station. You're too long.
Prater Hauptallee. Wir sind am Ziel. Auf Wiedersehen.
Almost to the last station. Dear passengers, this tram terminates here. Thank you for riding with Wiener Linien. That's all for today's tram ride. Thanks for watching and see you on the next game.